In this module, we are going to talk about global climate change. Global climate change is the most challenging environmental problem of the today that has actually triggered the environmental movement. There is strong consensus of scientific community on the following points. Global warming is a fact and factual phenomenon. Global warming is due to human activity. Increased use of greenhouse gases contribute to global warming. Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, is an agency under the sponsorship of the United Nations. It is responsible for reviewing and assessing the most current international scientific, technical, and socio-economic statistics and information to understand the problem of climate change. So under this IPCC, United Nations try to find out the reasons why this climate change is happening at global level. IPCC was established in 1988. It's comprised of thousands of international scientists, and it is attributing as the most authoritative scientific source on climate change. The IPCC's findings show that our present period of warming is extraordinary in contrast to the history and is indeed caused by human activities. So we cannot make anyone else faulty और हम किसी दूसरे को इसका जिम्मेदार नहीं ठहरा सकते कि हमारा इर्द गिर्द का माहौल जो है किसी और स्पीशी ने खराब नहीं किया. It is Homo sapiens. It is our species that is degrading the environment. It is clearly stated in 2013-2014 report of IPCC, quoting, warming of the climate system is unequivocal, and since the 1950s, many of the observed changes are unprecedented over decades to millennia. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen oxide have increased to levels unprecedented in at least the last 8 lakh years or 800,000 years. Quote closed. So you can imagine that how this IPCC report of 2013-14 giving us a detailed warning regarding this global warming, that how this climate change is happening. Contrarily, there is a predominant view on climate change that believes that contemporary climate changes are not result of human activities. Instead, it is because of natural environmental cycles or natural environment cycles. In general, people who belong to conservative school of thought do not believe in science. Others have strong religious beliefs. They are, in fact, you may call them Protestants. Some are uneducated. All the aforementioned category is more skeptical of climate change. If we just focus on this thing that why people are skeptical, क्यों शक्कू शुबहात रख रहे हैं कि नहीं ये तो एक कुदरती तौर पर ये माहौल के अपने जो फिजा है वो आलूदा होती जा रही है, इसका होमो सैपियंस से या हमारी स्पीशीज से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, इसको हम मजहबी तौर पे, सकाफती तौर पे या रवायती तौर पे ये कहना चाहें अगर कि नहीं ये तो कुदरती माहौल है ये खुद ब खुद ही ठीक होगा और खुद ब खुद ख़राब होगा, तो ये इसके अपने अदवार हैं, इसके अपने साइकिल्स हैं कि जिसकी वजह से ये हो रहा है, ऐसा हरगिज़ नहीं है। इट इज़ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी दैट इज़ डैमेजिंग द एनवायरनमेंट।